The Lord be with you. I'm Deacon Keith Fournier, and our first reading is from the first letter of the Apostle Paul to the Corinthians. For as with the human body, which is a unity, although it has many parts, all the parts of the body, though many, still making up one single body, so it is with Christ. We were baptized into one body in a single spirit, Jews as well as Greeks, slaves as well as free men, and we were all given the same Spirit to drink. And indeed, the body consists not of one member, but of many. Now, Christ's body is yourselves, each of you with a part to play in the whole. And those whom God has appointed in the church are first apostles, secondly prophets, thirdly teachers, after them miraculous powers, then gifts of healing, helpful acts, guidance, various kinds of tongues. Are all of them apostles? Or all prophets? Or all teachers? Or all miracle workers? Do all have the gifts of healing? Do all of them speak in tongues and all interpret them? Set your mind on the higher gifts. And now, I'm going to put before you the best way of all. And our responsorial psalm is taken from Psalm 10. Why, Yahweh, do you keep so distant? Stay hidden in times of trouble. In his pride, the wicked hunts down the weak, who is caught in the schemes he devises. The wicked is proud of his inmost desires. By his blasphemies, the grasping spurns Yahweh. The wicked in his arrogance does not look very far. There is no God as his only thought. In all circumstances, his step is assured. Your judgments are above his head. His rivals, he scoffs at them all. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. John. Near the cross of Jesus stood his mother and his mother's sister, Mary, the wife of Clopas, and Mary of Magdala. Seeing his mother and the disciple whom he loved standing near her, Jesus said to his mother, "Woman, this is your son." Then to the disciple he said, "This is your mother." And from that hour, the disciple took her into his home. The Gospel of the Lord.